Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
How did you how did you learn algebra in your graduation days? Because it was a very difficult subject.
Algebra is not at all difficult because any algebra can be visualized.
I mean, group, isomorphism, all that.
Everything is geometry. Everything is geometry. See, the first we did not learn in college. We learned in MSc.
No, sir, in graduation we would have basic algebra.
We had
like
set
linear algebra.
up to set only. You are talking about linear algebra in terms of equations and all that?
No, sir, like group, sets, Cantor's theory.
That is what I'm saying. These are all in MSc during our time.
Okay.
I think, I don't remember in BSc. I don't remember. I remember when we went to MSc, that is where we learned groups. Any set can be made into a group. That was a statement given by my head of the department first on that board. Okay. Then he asked me who can give a seminar on this topic tomorrow. That's how we learned. Immediately I said I can do it. Without knowing anything. What does it mean? What do I do? Then I went to his room and asked, sir, what should I speak? How should I do it? Then he asked me, take a set and then show that how can it be made. Sir, we learned the set example itself. Any set can be made into a group. That's what you said. As an example of set, we learned the class of the students in a class is a set. Now, shall I make it a group? I asked him.
Okay. Then what did you...
That's what I wanted. I wanted an answer from him. Can I do some fun? He said yes. Okay. Immediately I got my answer. I said done, sir. Tomorrow I will make a presentation. So my presentation was, I made, for every set you want to make a group, there has to be a member and a negative member also there, right? When they operate, you get null. Identity. There has to be an identity element who will react to everybody, but the result will be nothing. Are you visualizing it now?
Yes, sir.
So what I did was, there was a dull fellow who don't talk to anybody. I put him as a identity fellow. For every boy, I identified a girl. For every element, there is an opposite element. Is it not fun to learn maths with the visualization?
Yes,
Many of my students appreciated that first seminar which I gave, and they identified, this is a mathematician, different mathematician.
They might have been looking forward to your seminars more.
That's what I do.
How this person is going to...
So, see, now you asked a question, I told you how to do that, right? See, the example which you ask can be only is it. You cannot look forward and then, that doesn't happen. Question is there, I can answer, that's it.
I have any trick for learning the theorems also, especially the dry theorems of math?
No, if you give an example, I will be able to tell you how did I do that. That's only what I can tell. See, not everything can be visualized, everything can be explained, but most of the things. See, algebra, there are two algebras. One is abstract.
Yeah, abstract.
There is non-abstract algebra also. Not whole algebra is abstract. When you have an equation of a line, two equations of lines are given to solve. That is an abstract for somebody who cannot imagine.
Right.
But for me, two lines are given. This is one line.
Okay.
This is another line. So line means it is continuously going. It's not a line segment.
Okay.
So all equations are lines, not line segments. I have an x-axis and a y-axis. X equal to y will become a line which goes through 0 with a 45 degree.
45 degrees.
And assume that the another line is given x is equal to 10. So that means x is equal to 10 will go like this. So it will hit. Where it will hit? At 10, 10.
Okay.
Now if you give the equation, you will not be able to give answer like this. X,
Right.
x equal to y, solve x equal to y and x equal to 10, you will take x equal to 10, substitute there, and y becomes minus 10 or 10 you will get. And if it is 10 10 or minus 10 10, depends on that, you can give answers. There are two solutions possibly, because it goes like this, it can hit here or hit there. X equal to minus 10 or plus 10 depends on that at which places. Or maybe a circle is given, x square plus y square is equal to 9.
Okay.
That means the radius is 3, you have got a circle with a 3 radius. X square plus y square is equal to 9. That's a circle with 3 radius.
10 to 0.
Huh?
10 at the origin, right?
Otherwise, x square plus y square will not be 0. It will have a constant, it will shift that much.
Yeah.
Now I am saying, but I am showing you that. And now you have got an x equal to 1 as a line which is going. Definitely x equal to 1 will hit at two places, because the circle is bigger, line is like this. But instead of that, x is equal to 6 is given. Definitely it will not hit at all, because the line is outside the circle. Am I visualizing it? Yes. So algebra can be visualized. When this is 2 dimension, 3 dimension, I can visualize. It becomes n dimension, I will not be able to visualize. That is where you should start from 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, go to n dimension. I can do it easily because my MSc thesis was on degree theory, which is abstract space in which distance can be.
Abstract algebra is really tough.
In abstract algebra, I designed calculus. You will do distance and time. As time goes, distance comes here, that's a velocity and all that you compute like a dy by dx, which is computed in a metric space. Metric space is metric defined in a abstract space. So you can imagine if that is my project under a great mathematician. Cochin University, my professor was a great mathematician who has done his postdoctorate fellow under Bhatnagar. Bhatnagar is a great mathematician. Under him, the best mathematician award and physics award is given in India under Bhatnagar. And Bhatnagar's best student was my best professor. Not that I loved him, he loved me so much. He came to Hyderabad, he stayed with me. I arranged his lecture in this office. Being a professor from Trivandrum, he was a mathematician turned into a biomathematics person, turned into computer science. He taught me computer science and numerical analysis. Conti de Boer book. His glass used to be.
Can you spell that last term one more?
Conti de Boer. That's a book name. Author's name, I am telling author's name.
Okay.
How do you remember author's name who wrote books which I studied during my MSc also now?
You must have been really familiar with that book.
Yeah, that is because my professor was good.
Yeah, sir.
And under him I did this metric space. He was a mathematician, biomathematics man, computer science head of the department but he taught me abstract algebra. So subject is not important, the visualizing ability is important. So I don't think that Dr. TPS is just a blah blah teacher. I was a very good student who listened and carefully go to their houses to learn sometime. And after 10 years, 15 years of retirement also, when he was staying in Thiruvananthapuram, I went to his house to meet him. That's a relationship I keep with my teacher. He knows my kid's name. I remember my brother's daughter went to join he was the head of the department and dean for Amrita in the dean for engineering sciences. So my brother's daughter, son and people went for joining. He said, yeah, your name is also Krishna, Hari's name is also Hari Krishnan, Yadu Krishnan. All of you have got Krishna name. See, imagine a teacher of mine who was in MSc remembering my brother's kid's name, my kid's name and all that. That's a relationship. You understood? So it's not learning. See, I can learn only from my teacher if I start loving him first. If I don't love him, I cannot learn. You understood? So I have not seen him. Professor Kaimal is not a professor of mine. Professor Kaimal is like an elder brother for me. Statistics was taught by Krishnamurthy. Look at Dr. Krishnamurthy. Dr. A. Krishnamurthy, who is the best statistician in India today.
Yes, sir, I have heard about him.
He is not just a Professor Krishnamurthy for me. He calls me and then he puts me to his son, says that, Shashi, my son requires some advice, please talk to him. So if my professor considers me is fit for advising his son, what else recognition you require?
Yes, sir, definitely.
I am there in CMS college for induction training program or something, not because Dr. TPS is known, because Professor Krishnamurthy says call Shashi Kumar. So I am blessed with good teachers. I am sure nobody likes bad students, right? Because I was a good student. I used to be behind them. Even today, when there is a lecture, Krishnamurthy's lecture is announced, I will fully listen to that and then send a message to him saying, I will not find one mistake, some grammar mistake was there, sir. You don't know grammar. Because I am not listening to him to find fault. I am listening to him to learn something, yeah? You understood? And his English is much better than probably most of the mathematicians in India because his teachers were, during childhood, was Britishers. He's an old man, that's what I'm saying. And they also followed the teachers. So you must listen to I know the life stories, major steps in which made him as a great teacher. You understood? So I followed many people like that. Even today I am following many people like that. So he is a guru for me in mathematics and statistics somebody else, mathematics somebody else. Like friendship we said, we need not stick to somebody. Teachers also we need not stick to somebody. But as far as Krishnamurthy sir knows, yeah, he knows I am a good student. Because I dedicatedly invest time, learning, understanding. Now the person who took PhD under Krishnamurthy is the principal of CMS college. So his student became the principal of CMS college now. One of the oldest principal colleges in India. But not one of the oldest college in Kerala, South India is CMS college, in which the principal happens to be my professor's student. And Joshua, when I went last time, he was vice principal. Not that I went to college, attended a program and came. I was staying in the principal's quarters, that is supposed to be the guest house. Joshua was not the principal. But then my professor's student is a vice principal there. I went to his house. I know their children. So you know how the relationship is built like that. Got it? I know what their children are doing. So when I talk to him, I don't only talk mathematics. No, I talk to him about his family, about his children, all that I speak. So when I speak to them, is he my friend? Yes. Is he my professional friend? Yes. Now when he gives a lecture, immediately I will comment it the YouTube. I will also send a message to him saying that, no, that's so bright, so beautiful, nice to listen. This is a different aspect which you spoke. All that I will do. If there is a chance to comment, I will comment. If there is no chance to comment, I will send a message. 100% I will do it. What I am doing is only I am asking you to do it. Because that is a good gesture which you can give it. Which I am doing. I want my people who are associated or maybe who knows me also to propagate in the same style. That's it.
It was really nice to know your old stories and very inspiring.
You have seen Anandan Master also, right?
Really great.
Yeah.
Even at this stage, he still.
See, I am telling Asha, knowing him I introduced him to you. Now you telling me, yeah, nice, it's also useless. Because I am not going to gain anything, you are not going to gain anything. How does it make a difference? This January 1st also I called him. I spoke to him more than 40 minutes. He will, I'm Shashi so happy that you are talking to me. You understood the difference. I will not leave. Assume that I think that I have to talk. I call many people. I keep on doing it. I know Milka because of somebody. That person was running business. That time I was part of it. But even now I will send him message. I will call him sometime. I will talk to him. Find out how is his business. Whether I am involved or not doesn't matter. He must be doing good. That's it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.